I'm Karissa Morris. I'm 20. I've done my level 2 and my level 3. I'm just about finished my level 3. So. Well, I looked at the courses for college and it just didn't, I just didn't fancy it as well because you'd still be in the same kind of school environment kind of thing, and I thought apprenticeship you could do your own kind of thing, and obviously you'll have more support because it would be based on how your achievements and stuff. So I thought it was just better for me as well because I did sixth form as well, so going straight from that to college wasn't my great idea. So an apprenticeship kind of suited me better. I heard from it, from obviously working at Pit Stop here, so I heard they have great reviews and stuff, so yeah, I went with them and hoped it went well, and I've got my level 3. Well, it's better than going to college, definitely gets you going, and you can see your own, where you are, your own stages and what you have to do to achieve them, and you can call someone up and say, oh, I need help with this, and they'll be there, so yeah, it's good. They're better for certainly my age. I started when I was 17, so I've come quite far with it, and I've been able to do it at my own rate, pace, but it's still I know where I've been, so